If you like history and adventure, then stay tuned. Part 2 of moving stolen Soviet equipment during the Cold War, for this covert operation's untold story. Picture this, an old runway in Batizia, Pakistan in the dark of a moonless night. Air freight personnel and a security team, several very scary-looking operators along with a man holding a case full of money, meet the Mujahideen. Soviet planes and armored vehicles are loaded onto an Egyptian C-130 by the all-terrain forklift brought on the C-130 or the aircraft's onboard winch. Usually, ammunition, grenades, explosives, and rockets are not allowed on the aircraft and are trucked south to a port. Sometimes, though, some came along for the ride. The cargo came to us raw, untouched except for the Afghans pillaging usable items and personal belongings from the dead they removed. Then the C-130 departs for Germany. The cargo is taken to Ramstein Air Force Base. Unloaded onto flatbed trucks, it is then moved from a secluded pad to Einsiedlerhof Air Station. Leaving Ramstein has its own dangers. Soviet military liaison mission staff were known to hang around military facilities in Germany, so detecting and avoiding them was always a challenge. Once the final destination is reached, it is all left on the trucks inside the warehouse. A crew then has the daunting task of sterilizing the equipment before it can be evaluated and studied. Dirt and other contaminants are a common thing to be cautious of when bringing something back. But as these pieces were straight from combat, the need to ensure no dangerous materials like explosives tagged along. On top of all that were the human remains. It was easy to forget the true cost of these items. Though we saw them as our enemy, they were not that different than us. Never was an entire body left inside, but it was not uncommon to see parts that were. This operation was a testament to the risks and complexity of Cold War-era military logistics.